What's a petcock, you say? I'm lazy. So here it goes. Caution. Engine must be cool. To begin. Open valve. Bye-bye coolant. Once emptied, close petcock valve. Refill coolant to line. Engine on and running. Releases trapped air in system. Close coolant bottle cap. Engine off.